Hello, and welcome to CIT Tech Tips YouTube channel. This is the first part of a video series on what an IP address is and how it affects the users in the real world. We are your hosts. I am Anthony.
And I am Luke Tierney.
In this video, we will talk about how IPv4 works and what it affects.
Let's get to the side. Alright, so first we're going to be talking about the basics of what IPv4 is. So, IPv4 is a type of IP address, and is in fact the most common type of an IP address, and an IP address is a way of identifying different computers over the internet and on your network, and it allows communication between these devices. So each router in the internet is given a specific, unique public IP address, which allows all the computers to know who they are talking to and how to talk to them. You're probably wondering what public and private IP addresses are and why it even matters. A private IP address is what each individual device has on a network, and the public address is on each router and is what speaks to the internet itself. The private address sends the message to the public address, who passes it on to the internet. We will show you how to locate your private IP address.
So after you log onto your computer, you should navigate down to the bottom left corner and then click onto the search bar. And then inside the search bar, type in control panel. This will bring up your control panel where you can locate your network and sharing center. And when you find it, click on network and sharing. Network and internet, I'm sorry. And then network and sharing center. And then on the left side, you'll see change adapter settings. Click onto there. You can either mess with the IP address in the Ethernet or under Wi-Fi. For our example, we use Wi-Fi because it's more common. So you can either right-click to enter properties, or you can double-click and then hit the button properties. Both ways, it brings you to the same spot, but you have to get into properties. If a menu pops up asking you, are you sure you would like to allow this to make changes to your device? Just hit yes. It's just a security measure. It's fine. Then they'll bring up a new mini-map like this one shows. And then select IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. And this is where you can locate your IP. If you're on Wi-Fi, it's more than likely going to obtain an IP automatically. And if you want to make one of your own, you can just use this of my own and then type in your IP address. To save your changes, click OK. And then when you're done, just hit OK, close, close, and that is it.
Alright, I hope you have found this video helpful and that you have learned something from this experience. This has been Luke Tierney and Anthony Coffey from CIT Tech Tips signing off. Thank you and good night.